part of my session here. So let me introduce you to Dr. Binny Sareen, who is going to take us to a meditation journey. And it's my distinct honor to introduce an inspiring global voice for peace, purpose, and human transformation. Dr. Binny Sareen, who is an internationally acclaimed peace ambassador, spiritual leader, educator, and founder of the Global Initiative for Peace and Well-being. Her pioneering work in spirituality, universal values, and holistic wellness has touched lives across more than 35 countries. Honored with numerous national and international recognition, she continues to inspire governments, universities, defense institutions, and global audience through her powerful message of peace, resilience, and human excellence. So let's be prepared for us to get transformed for next 10 minutes. Can we have a round of applause for Binny ji? Thank you.
Namaskar and very, very special greetings of peace, health, happiness, and hope to all the galaxy of leaders here. Now, this is the time how we take coffee break, tea break, lunch break, dinner, everything. But what is important as a leader to give break to your mind? From words to the journey to the silence. Even if you have 60 seconds, 30 seconds, it is very, very important to give pause for peace to your mind. So we can reflect, we can take good decisions, whatever profession we are having. So yesterday we have already started our journey, but I am taking you a little bit more further, and I want that let's practice because it's very important. We are all together here and we all are talking about progress, purpose, peace, unity, hope. But how it will be going to travel? Because if the leaders together can meditate for few minutes every day, they can cross their energy to even more than 30 kilometers. I have done many meditation sessions all over the world. In many countries, of course, I have already introduced Brahma Kumari's headquarters, Mount Abu, from where I have come, and I was 6-year-old when I started the journey of meditation with beautiful experiences of every day. Today I got up 4 o'clock, I meditated for IGC. And when I was talking about IGC, my brother was with me, he is also. We talked what we will share today. The thought came early morning. I means I am G, God's very great creation. I am God's creation. Who am I? I am a leader. How? Who is the highest leader? Who is the boss? Who is the boss? Who is heading us all? We are the creation of Almighty. We are unable to do anything. We are doing it, but if we need more energy, I can even share with you that we get up so early, whole day even like we don't take rest also, but that few drops of meditation. And I think you know this, that the latest studies, I'm sharing one of the Harvard study. Of course, I was with the Harvard School of Divinity when I was doing my PhD. And I feel very proud to share Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, former president, leader, and scientist. He was the one who inspired me to do PhD. He's my guide actually. When he was coming to Mount Abu, he listened my stories, how I got associated in young age. So he said, why don't you document? You should document. So this was a journey. And I felt that the more going within and experiencing such a wonderful power of meditation. One thing I would like to add, we are talking so much of AI, but AI is nothing. in front of SI. Who is managing AI? AI can fail any time if you don't have mobiles. The internet will fail. Everything will fail. SI is the soul power, spiritual energy. This is what the SI we need to understand. It's the SI. Of course, we discussed that already in my few, but I would like to feel very proud to share that from last 35 years, I'm going to Indian Army, Defense, our paramedicals, I'm meeting their families, their widows, because no time is there, but I would like to share, when I go to them, the amount of stress they are facing. So I go to them, counsel them, reduce their stress, because they are serving the country. I completed with the Internal Security Academy, Mount Abu, the big prestigious training center, 35 years of my service with them. And then from Leh Ladakh to the minus where I go and meet them, how they are doing for us, what they are just securing our lives if you see the different professionals. But the need of the hour is, we make the excuses. I don't have time. We say, we are very busy. But we have 30 seconds. We have 60 seconds. So this 60 second in an hour, because we practice every hour, 30, 60 second, sitting, doing, traveling, whatever, 60 seconds, nothing. It's connecting with the Supreme, connecting with the soul energy. So it's very important that the time has come that we should take care. I really congratulate Mrs. Avinash Bains that giving me this opportunity. Congratulate and the clapping for her and the whole team. Wonderful team is here. So let's start the journey. Now I'm taking you with the 3 simple steps. Yesterday I given 3 C's. Today I'm giving you 3 T's. Very simple. Many people ask how to do meditation. Very simple. Yoga, meditation, dhyan. First T is turning. Turning from outside to inside. From outside to inside we came, and the journey inside. Turning means turning to your positive thoughts. It doesn't mean you are sitting for half an hour, but you have not taken any turn. You are there and your business things, many things are going on. No, this is not. You have to take the turn within. Turning inside is a journey of a soul consciousness, the purest consciousness we create with the very powerful, just very simple thought, who am I? There are so many levels are there, so many layers are there, and I'm this and this. This will be there, but just out of those layers, the pure being is peace. I'm a loveful being. From turning to, I'm coming to the second important step, tuning. Second T, tuning means you turn your attention to the Almighty. Whosoever is your, you worship or pray, but it's very important that first you prepared yourself, then you taking the turn. Turning to tuning means now you're ready to receive the energy. It's very important. Part of the meditation is not only the silence. Yesterday I said collection. If you don't collected anything, the meditation, you're just sitting, but you're not feeling, not experiencing. So it's very important, take the support of the higher energy. Take it. What is the difference between meditation and prayer? Prayer is speaking to God, and meditation is listening from God. You listen, you're silent, your mind is creating lesser and lesser thoughts. You become more quiet. It is not a zero. It's not a definition of meditation becoming totally zero. No, the thoughts will be there, but they will be quality thoughts. And then the last is training. Training means I did meditation for 5 minutes, 10. What's next? The whole day is there. What is my decision? What is my promise? Today I'm ready to take care of my mood. Today I will be less angry. Today I will be gentle. I will speak compassionate words. I will look at each other and I look at their qualities. So every day is a gentle reminder, is called the training, means winding up the meditation practice with a gentle promise. So this is the everyday journey. So let's do some meditation. Today I'm taking you with this journey with a little bit of thoughts adding. And I hope I can get the mic there. If not, so play the music, okay. So are you ready, all of you? And I would like to ask you one thing. The Harvard study shows, doctors are already here, the dopamine part. खुशी से रहने की जो बात है, the maximum dopamine increases when you do dhyan meditation. So are you happy now? So your HH is increased. What is HH? Yesterday happiness hormones. For clap for you. I am great. And my happiness is increased. So because you accept positivity. So let's start the journey. But that is the another chapter that I shared yesterday, that how the healing takes place, how health is improving, our blood pressure gets maintained, heart problem, different kind of ulcers and psychosomatic disorders, good sleep is coming. So many things are there. Only if you just start the journey with 5 or 10 minutes every day in the morning. Okay? Sit straight, back straight. Gentle smile on your face. Take a deep breath and smile. Just detach yourself from which is ordinary, which is important. We focus on the positive thoughts. Welcome them in this journey of meditation. Meditation means peace. Meditation is love. Meditation is compassion. Meditation is a miracle. Om means universal word beyond any restrictions of the religion. Now Om means the sound of sound, sound of soul. A means acharan, action power. U means ucharan, word power. Manan, mind power. All these three powers are now in my control. Let us turn your attention from outside to inside. In the middle of the forehead where Agya Chakra is there, the most pure point in this physical body. Just feel the energy, the light. I am light, divine light, subtle but very powerful energy. Master power, the controller, the director. Master power, master mind. The three powerful powers of mind, mind power, intellect power, an action in the subconscious mind. This is what altogether the most subtle and powerful energy, SOUL, source of unique light. Feel the energy. Feel the light and become light. Welcome light and become might. Power, Shakti. And translate into an action. Become right. Right actions. And then feel white. White means purity, clarity, light, might, right, white. Gently. From inward journey. Now I am ready to connect myself with the Supreme, the highest, Sarvoch Shaktivan, Sarv Shaktivan, Almighty. The different religions all believe in the superpower. Gently connect your attention. This connection is called yoga meditation. When you connect with the Almighty, the Supreme Power, bestower of love, bestower of peace, bestower of bliss, bestower of might. Today is the day. Just let go. Anything you feel burden, anything which is still in your mind of the past, just very gently unburden your mind and unlock your energies. Just surrender, be light, give it away to the Almighty. He is ready to take your burdens. Feel light. Feel the flow of blessings and energy. Now this is the time. From IGC platform, just radiate the positive vibrations to the whole world. Just send your positive energy to those really need your support. This is called the power of vibrations, which we create in meditation becomes very powerful. A single thoughts become equivalent to many powerful thoughts, which heals, which cures, which elevates and empowers. Now, in these moments of winding up meditation, is a very precious time we call and remind it is a training to the self for everyday journey. Just gentle promise and determination to the self. What today I am deciding change. The theme is global change, but the global change is possible when I change. So self-change leads to global change. Let's all of us accept the change. What I need to change, a gentle reminder. When I just go out after the conference from here, then I am a changed person, the changed soul that is going to benefit the lives of many. So today is the new beginning, new determination. Looking at everybody but seeing the qualities, appreciate them, accept them. Every day is getting up with the smile and gratitude is a meditation. And connecting with the Almighty for a few seconds with this practice lead us to very, very healthy and happy life. Let's 3 times together, if possible, to spread the energy from this room to many, many miles away. Just with the smile say Om Shanti. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Thank you very much for joining with me. Thank you. Thank you very much.
An amazing experience. So can we give a round of applause for our own amazing experience? Yeah, I think we were all somewhere. Now please get back to IGC, second floor, ballroom number 3. Okay, thank you, Binny ji, for a lovely session. Really, both the days it was very enriching.